Where'd he go? Oh. Jason, this is Erin. Erin, this is Jason. So, okay, you're rolling, right? Okay, Erin, who are you here with?
I am here with Rinea. Do you want me to give you the spiel?
Yes, what's Rinea?
Rinea is a foiled paper. Let me see if I can... So I'm going to go up close. It is a foiled paper. It is foil on the outside, but it is paper on the inside. Anything you can do with paper, you can do with this. You can emboss it, you can die cut it, you can stamp on it. We have a special ghost ink that goes with this foil. It is pretty darn amazing. You want to come see our technique wall?
Yes.
All right, follow me. So this is our technique wall where you can see all the amazing techniques that you can do. So the other cool thing about this paper is it also holds its shape. So whatever shape you put it in, it will keep it.
It's like it remembers.
It remembers, like memory paper. But, I mean, you can crinkle it, and this is with our ghost ink, and I can show you a demo of that here in a minute. So, obviously, you can die cut it. It is so pretty. You can emboss it. Look how pretty that is.
I have to feel.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's a touchy-feely wall.
It is. So that makes me happy.
You can tear it, which is kind of fun because you can see the white edge, and it gives that very unique, different approach.
Okay.
All the different things that you can do with it. You can directly stamp on it. You can do pretty much any kind of crafting thing you can possibly imagine you can do with this, which is just so cool. I love the effect of it.
How does it do with different glues? Is it good with any glue? Is it fussy?
We've used just about every glue, but and let me show you the ghost ink. Certain glues have something in them to make them dry faster, and sometimes it can remove the color a little bit. So you gotta be careful with some of those fast dry glues.
What, probably no solvent glues to those?
But I still use them all the time. You just
have to be careful?
Just gotta be careful.
Okay.
I also use that to my benefit too because it's a cool effect.
Yeah. Distress.
Exactly. So if you want to come see, I can show you how this works. Alright, so this is pretty darn awesome. This is my favorite effect. Now you can do it with stamps, you can do it with embossing, but you know, I want to get my hands in there.
Right.
So I will crumple it all up. I didn't pick the greatest color, but that's okay. You'll get the idea. And it's a special formulated ink that works with all of our foils. We have 15 colors and 2 textures. This is the glossy texture, but then we also have our starstruck texture.
Oh, cool.
So there's 2 different textures that you get with it.
Yeah.
Then I'm just going to dry it. It's going to take so long. Watch. Oh my.
Oh, what a chore.
Just eons of time.
I had to wait like seconds.
A little bit of alcohol, it's kind of our key thing. It just helps remove the color that much better. And I just wipe. You didn't see that.
No, that didn't happen.
Not a thing.
And the alcohol doesn't take the color off the foil.
It only takes off the color where the ink, so it's
where the ink was.
So you can see it's only where the ink touched.
That is super cool.
Isn't that awesome? It's pretty darn special, right?
You know, in my brain, I'm thinking, okay, what else I can put that? Yeah.
What can you do? I mean, it looks like a faux metal. I mean, there's so many things that you can do with that.
That is very cool. And you can stamp with that ink?
Yeah, so you can stamp with it. So think about any of those stamped images, it'll remove it. The distressed ones, to me, are the favorites because it has that kind of grungy look. Yeah. It's really cool.
So is the ghost ink available now on a retail basis? Okay, and that is Rinea.
Rinea.com.
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 Let me show you the ghost ink wall of all the different colors and what they can do.
Okay.
Pretty darn fun, let me tell you. So this is my wall of ghost ink.
Oh, look at that.
Isn't that awesome?
I see embossed and crinkled up.
Different kinds of stamps.
Stamps.
Sometimes you can just take the ink and pat it without crinkling it, and it gives that kind of cool effect as well.
Yeah.
I mean, there's so many things that you can do with it.
And really on every color of foil, does it all get the silver that comes
because
through?
It is tin foil. And what color is tin foil naturally? All we've done. And we do sell silver as well.
Okay.
Silver, you can't do the ghost ink on silver because you can't remove silver from
silver and silver. Got it.
It just doesn't work. So any color underneath that is the silver. So that's what we're doing. We're removing the color to reveal the silver. It's pretty darn awesome.
So impressed.
Cool. So there's 2 different size packs. We have our crafters pack. There's 12 in each. You can get like all blush glossy 12, or you can get the variety packs, which like the jolly. So what's a jolly? That's to be Christmas, right? So what Christmas colors you got that in there. There we go. You know, we got our
Awesome.
peacock is my favorite. The peacock.
That looks like you.
So we have
It
emerald.
matches your hair.
Yeah, emerald, this is sapphire, and violets. And in both textures, so you get a variety of both textures. And then we also sell them in the crafter size, which is a 4x6. So kind of more for the card makers and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
And then we have them in the rolls if you're wanting to do like costuming. I did like ladybug wigs for my daughter. They were pretty darn cool.
So all sizes, a couple of different finishes, lots of color.
Yep. Thank you.
And the ghost ink.
Yeah.
Couldn't get any better. Thank you so much, Erin. And visit Erin at Scraps of Reflection.
You can just search Erin Reed, and I'm #1 on YouTube, so it's really easy to find. Or Scraps of Reflections, but Erin Reed, ERINREED. It's so easy to find.
And watch this, an unsolicited hug. Thank you.